Hey, so welcome back to Stream Support with TMGS. Today we're going to be looking at how to install OBS Studio and how to set it up to get your stream running for the first time. Okay, let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is head over to https obsproject.com and you'll get this page here. Then you want to click on whatever operating system you're using and go ahead and download the program. Okay, so you see, click on it. Downloads in the bottom left hand corner here. So what I did was I moved it over to the desktop and you'll see I'm opening it up here. I thought, giving it authority, agree, select D drive, hit OK, then hit next. Now it's up to you whether you want to install the extra plugins here, but I'm just going to go with the normal OBS Studio. Just install that. Okay, now that's it, complete. And then what you want to make sure is to tick launch OBS and then hit next. Okay, now it's going to ask you if you want to use the auto configuration wizard. You can use this, it's easier. It'll just test your computer and give you the best settings for your computer. You can set it up for yourself. Now the choice here is whether you want to set up for streaming or set up for recording. Now this tutorial is on streaming, so we're going to set it up for streaming. Okay, now it's asking you the display resolution and the FPS. We'll just leave that how it is. Okay, now you're going to need a Twitch account or a YouTube account or any other account, but we're going to use Twitch today. And you'll need to connect it, so in order to connect it, you'll have to have an account. So we're going to sign up with a new account. I'm just going to call this TMGS Stream Support. And then you're just going to put this as a password. Then you want to stick in your date of birth. We're just going to do today's date, 18 years ago. So it's my 18th birthday today, guys. Whoop whoop. Then stick in your email address, which for me is TheMadGingerScotsman at gmail.com, and select it and that robot. Verify yourself. Select all the cars. Done. You know, then that's you signed up. And it's going to ask you for some authorization. Allow Twitch authenticating. Okay, now it says I can't do it because I don't have the two-factor authentication set up. So what we'll need to do instead is use the stream key. Okay, now to get your stream key, you need to follow this link here and head over to Twitch. So I'll need to log into the new account. Okay, welcome to Twitch. Yeah. So you just need to choose some interest. If this is your first time registering, if not, obviously you won't have to do all this. So just skip all this. Okay, so that's us in now. Now you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to channels and videos, and right at the top there, you'll see that it says stream key and preferences. Now underneath it, if this is your new account, you will need to enable the two-factor authentication in order to do this. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so in order to do this, you need to basically give them your phone number. So I'm going to do that. Okay, then hit continue, and then you'll be sent a verification code to your mobile. Once you get that code, you just enter it in this box, and then you move on to the next step. Once you've completed that, you just go back in, log back into your account, and you'll get another text message to authorize you to sign back into Twitch. Once you're logged back in, you just want to go back to settings, quickly back to channel and videos, and then your stream key should be right at the top there for you. You just want to copy that and then take that back to your OBS Studio and just paste it in this box here. Then hit next. Just leave these two boxes selected and then let it auto configure. That's you all set up. Next thing we'll move on to is creating the scenes and putting the sources into the scenes. Okay, so before you start up your OBS, I have to start up a portable streaming engine for my gaming card, my capture card. So if you have to do this, make sure to do this before you start up OBS and then load up the program, otherwise it may give you problems. Okay, so you want to go to the big plus in sources, go to video capture device, and then you want to rename this either PS4 or Xbox gameplay or whatever console you're playing from. And then you want to hit OK, and then you want to select your game capture card here. So mine's is the AverMedia. It's better to use my stream engine, so I'm going to select the stream engine. It obviously works on both, but for me I prefer to use the Stream Engine. Okay, and then you just go through the settings should be fine, just leave them like that. And as you can see, this is my PS4 gameplay here. Okay, now the second thing you might want to add, it depends if you're streaming from PC or PS4. So we're going to add a PC capture as well. So to do the same thing again, but except we're going to go to display capture, and then we're going to name this PC gameplay. And we're going to hit OK. And then depending on how many monitors you've got, you select whichever monitor you want to record, and then you press OK. Now you can stream for free from your PS4 without a capture card by using PS4 Remote Play. That's me opening Remote Play just now. You connect your PS4 controller, and then off you go. But we're not going to do that today because I did that in another video. Link below. Once you've got your two displays there, you can choose between the two by selecting the eye. Either crossing it out or having it on will swap between the two displays. Okay, so the next thing we want to add, if you want to add it, will be a face cam. So what you want to do is go again to video capture device, and we're going to call this face cam, and then hit OK. And then what we're going to do is select the webcam. Hello, that's me. And then you want this, and then basically you can move this about anywhere you want. You can reduce it in size, and if you go past halfway, it'll basically flip the orientation of the camera, so you can have it on either side, flipped in either direction, and you can put it anywhere on the page. Okay, and if you want to turn your camera off, again you just use the eye. Okay, so to add the microphone, the first thing you want to do is select the big plus again, and then go up to audio input capture. And then once you've selected that, you want to name this just microphone, and then move down and hit OK. Okay, now you can select either default if you've already got your microphone set up to default. I'm just going to select microphone number 3. That's my microphone, and then hit OK. Now that's it. That's your microphone added. Now you'll see that when I talked there, it went red. Now there is a good chance that once you add your microphone, you are going to have to edit it by putting some filters on. So in another episode, I will look at and show you how to put a compressor on, and how to put a noise gate on, how to put noise suppression on, and the VS2 plugin, which I'll show you, which is a free download, and it makes your voice sound a bit better. Okay, I'll also be showing you how to add overlays such as this to show your latest followers, recent donation, top donation. I'll show you how to buy better overlays, how to make yourself like a stream starter and be right back screen, supporter bars, alerts, all these kind of things. We'll go into that in more detail because that is more advanced and will take probably a good 2 videos to cover. Okay, thanks again for sticking with me on the stream support video. Thanks for watching. I hope you hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.